Hi, I'm Cindy Gibbon. There are so many things that I love about St. Luke, but I think one of the things that's the most meaningful to me is singing in the choir. You know, I'm not one of those people who sang in choir in high school and college, and I sing with all of these wonderful musicians who are so much better than I am. And it's just wonderful to me that they just have the grace to let me be there and learn and work with them and work until I get it right. And sometimes I'm not always perfect, but they love me anyway. And it's such a joy to sing the beautiful music. It's so wonderful to work with Dan. He brings such a spirituality to what we do in choir. It's worship. When we rehearse, it's worship. When we sing for the congregation, it's just something special that we bring. And the love of the other choir members, the fact that we pray for each other, pray for anyone that we know who needs prayer, all of that is part of the experience of being in choir. It's just a very special blessing.